from one performance to another, from one electricity zesta to another. And right about now, we are about to have Tashamiswa in the house. Yeah, baby.
Yo, it's Tasha. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the situation that's going on. You know, let's get it. The situation took us from my yard where I played behind the hedge to a hood in Zengeza kuno bajuka sewage. From our fridges being full to the stores getting looted. No idea where I'm headed, no direction, I'm clueless. From 2 pieces each to just veggies alone. All I think about is those that had the worst from before. What the hell they meant to do? How are they gonna cope? Some will turn straight to crime, others hold on to hope. Little Martina next door, Argucheman and Zara. I hear her mama yell back at her, Iwa Nyarara. It breaks my heart to hear a mother speak like that to a daughter. But no food to feed the baby, plus to Asha twin Zara. We got the youths in the hood, uptown and down too. Got less time on FaceTime, so more time for drug use. The data is ridiculous and Zessa's never with us. So we smoke and we lean, goddamn stress relieve us. When situation finna breed depressed adults out of us. Bitter bitches, broke niggas, we don't want none of that. We want riches for our children, pass it down, not back up. To be lawyers, anesthesias that get paid every month. If we want to achieve this, then we gotta stand up. Gotta grind, look for bags, start our own business up. Gotta do something about it or we gonna get stuck. Gotta stay working hard, never ever give up.
We gotta be free. We gotta be free. We gotta be free from the situation. We gotta be free, yeah. We gotta be free, yeah. We gotta be free from the situation, yeah, yeah. Sabada bounday, every one day, oh. Sabada bounday, every one day, oh. Sabada bounday, every one day, oh. Sabada bounday, every one day, oh.
Now to our mothers and our fathers, please step up to the plate. Quit complaining, y'all sister them and help steal our fate. And those that marched up in the street, what did you demonstrate? Cause if you ask me, 2030 is too long just to wait. Just for one thing to change, the bonds and the rate. This bondage is robbing us a better state of the body and mind. If you ask me, I'm fine. Shit, when are things really gonna be fine? Got us celebrating over basic necessities. Excited when the water comes, even the electricity. The situation's an issue of great complexity. Hopes for a fortunate stroke of serendipity. Chicks looking for blesser money so they can get inches. Once they've been around the block, they wanna start pimping. Healthcare so expensive, no access to medication. Popo gas the streets without an ounce of hesitation. For certain people, really ball. Wakagara rawo kuseri kwemazi jura wo. Others ball at the expense of our struggling nation. Yelling we born free. Does this shit look like liberation? And no, I'm not just hating, just a concerned citizen. Brainwashed to be weak so that we never take a stand. Yet they took this land with gunshots and violence. If you ain't doing shit, then don't complain about oppression.
We gotta be free. We gotta be free. We gotta be free from the situation. We gotta be free, yeah. We gotta be free, yeah. We gotta be free from the situation, yeah, yeah. Sabada bounday, every one day, oh. Sabada bounday, every one day, oh. Sabada bounday, every one day, oh. Sabada bounday, every one day, oh.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your girl, Tash. Welcome to Shoko Festival. Alright. Oh, okay. Well, you can find me on Instagram at Tashamiswa and on Twitter at TashaXIX. Tasha, eh. So fucked up like I overdosed. Make me fly higher than a Holy Ghost. Hotboxing it like Holocaust. Lift up your glass, make a toast. All the smokers and the stoners and the alcoholics and the sniffers and the snorters. Please be cautious. Do be got us flying higher than these albatrosses. Do be nice, but they got you kitties feeling nauseous. You're on the ABC, like you're learning phonics. I'm popping EEE, and I'm smoking chronic. You should SEE, but me and my team beyond it. If you're a BEE, then why you smoking nonsense? Better than a summer in a Taliban. Mali got you tripping like a running man. Cat got you tripping, quit running, man. These $2 drugs got you tripping, fam. Aya matagaya, anabasaya, akapataya, wachatamaya, bachakwanga, madira wakubataya, anabaksaya, roma barzai.
And this instrument.
I ain't playing like it's halftime. Counting money is my pastime. Smoke a J just to pass time. Throw the ball, bitches, game time. In the club doing gang signs. Bad gal, move your waistline. Didn't you use the verse last time? You should put us to sleep like it's bedtime. Tasha, daughter of a rasta. Get this money, spend it faster. I'm that nigga, call me Caster. Think big, yeah, we big wigs. Big wigs, yeah, we big shit. Big tits on a big bitch. Slick Rick on some pimp shit. Like I'm sponsored by my Zoe. Step up on the scene, be like, yo, tell me who are you? We can do it your way. If I hit you, homie, trust me, how boy, I be moving with my crew. I be rolling with my crew. I be rolling with my. Yeah. I be rolling with the crew, yeah. Coca-Cola. Drinking sodas up in Minnesota. Mini sodas with the big ballers. Bad bitches in the Range Rovers. We don't play now, we shot callers. Play in the bank, yeah, we count dollars. We be professional white collars. Hot, too hot. Mad selection like jukebox. All white like school socks. And I got the hammer in the toolbox. And I got the screw and I got the spanner. Switch it up, my whole team getting better and better. And we eating all this cheddar, getting fatter and fatter. Like I'm sponsored by my Zoe. Step up on the scene, be like, yo, tell me who are you? We can do it your way. If I hit you, homie, trust me, how important. I be moving with my crew. I be rolling 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 with the crew, yeah. Yo, I don't know if any of you heard of the Egghead remix. I'm about to drop y'all my verse.
Remix.
Great. The industry's dead now. Don't you want to say she passed a little cow? Wow, got them niggas asking how. And I reply them with a jab, I'm stabbing them, pow. But all they seen is my flaws. They don't see that I improve, concentrate on my wrongs. But I'ma keep writing songs. Can't stop, won't stop till I have all the awards. I'm not a word or a line, I'm the heading on the title, you can fucking underline me. I'm so superb and deterred to concur, I'm ineffable, you cannot define me. I find it so absurd that a turd no one heard is the nerve to come in and try to find me. And I'm determined to hurt, and anybody that tries to interfere with the grinding, anybody me fear be trying to steal my shining. Fuck, why all you niggas whining? If it back as long you broke, you can't hang then. Watch me Jane Lynch, I'm like I'm playing hangman. As it is scandalous, kid like me, the whole gang getting ice drip like iced tea. I said no to your man cause it's dick tiny. Touch it back, body baggy, sticky body. Egge, talk to a tongue that I egge. Drop up a segge. Egge, talk to a tongue that I egge. Drop up a segge. What y'all know about raps? Yeah. Let me tell you about raps. Put the weed in it, put the light in it, kinda jacks. Walk that talk, nigga, run it back. Let me tell you about raps. I got the AP on the pack. That's that ghetto youth on the gap. That's that shit that's ain't touch of raps. I'm talking about raps. I out-rap your favorite rapper. Gotta wrap this shit up like wrapping paper. I seal the deal, I sell a tape and it's a rap. Depends on my sports essay. I got the trophy essay. I'm at the top essay, yeah.
She say that she wanna roll, yeah. She say that she wanna roll, yeah. She say that she wanna roll, yeah. Pass it up and roll some more, yeah.
Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta, check out this bazaar. I don't give a fuck about your bottles or your car. Independent bitch, I got money in my bra. And your other car too small to fit in this garage. I'm on a roll, rolling it up, smoking the streets, I don't give a fuck. Got up a phone, they blowing me up. Machida kuziva kunendiri pop. Tasha's a bad girl, she's a knock. I'm sweating blood cause Tasha's a shock. I know that everybody has got something to say, but I do what I want. Raps, I out-rap your favorite rapper. Better wrap this shit up like wrapping paper. I seal the deal, I sellotape plates to rap. Depends on my sports essay. I got the trophy exit. I'm at the top essay, yeah.
She say that she wanna roll, yeah. She say that she wanna roll, yeah. She say that she wanna roll, yeah. Pass it up and roll some roll.
What's up, everybody?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys know this one. I featured my boy ASAP from Blowayo. Shout out ASAP. This one's titled Boże Kuti. Let's get it. Boże Kut, indiri Boże Kut. Boże Kut, batanga kutaura foot.
Twerk and tombazan,
Come on.
flex my genge arm. Boże Kut,
Indiri Boże Kut. Boże Kut, and that's Boże Kut. Boże Kut, badakundi tanga foot.
Twerk and tombazan,
Come on.
flex my genge arm. Boże Kut, indiri Boże Kut.
Tic tac, look back, who's that? It's me. Sit back, relax, attach it ASAP. Hit back, chillax, the squad is laid back. Pressures for Taji, not about that. Cha chirunguchi, Tasha Apisa kungebachi. I got the keys like Liberace. Talk of the town, got him like Huzzy. Who came with it? Who came with it? Bad gal Tasha in the shoe game lit it. Who came with it? We came with it. Tap ASAP from a boo game lit it. What's dope? This is dope. Talking dope like an oath. I'm talking dope like coke. I'm talking speed like a boat. When I say bo, I'm affirming. Easy, easy, straight chillin'. Stress free like we children. High fly like a pigeon. Boże Kuti. They didn't hear the vowels are footy. The flow is Kuti. I do not use Kuti. I'm a die legend. The rap full of Kuti. Yeah, Tash. Boże Kuti. Bo. Indiri Boże Kuti. Come on. Boże Kuti. Batanga kutaura foot. They talking to kids.
Twerk and tombazan,
Come on.
flex my genge arm. Boże Kut,
Great.
indiri Boże Kut.
Hey, hey, hey. Boże Kuti. And that's Boże Kuti. Boże Kuti. Badakundi tanga foot.
Twerk and tombazan,
Come on.
flex my genge arm. Boże Kut, indiri
Boże Kuti.
Real bad girl, real gangster. Why I say real bad
Aye.
girl, real gangster. Why I say
This is for my
real
first
bad
project,
girl,
y'all.
real gangster.
You know what?
Mess
Sing
with me,
along.
Leave you 6 feet under.
Man, keep flipping with the rhythm I be kicking. This musician be inflicting composition. I'm like Scarface sniffing cocaine.
Hold the M6.
See me with a pen, I'm insane.
I tell a hood rat.
Blood clot, where your money
They
at?
be like, who that?
You like that? Double tap that. I tell him pussy good, pussy fat.
Make you slap that.
Bring me body from reverse, come and make you clap that. Season Tasha coming harder than ever. I'm a rigid bar, resting on a pivot and lever. Niggas thinking Tasha got a ghost rider, I never. I killed a freestyle at your spot, don't you remember?
Real bad girl, real gangster.
Why I say?
Real bad girl, real gangster.
Why I say?
Real bad girl, real gangster. Mess with me, leave you 6 feet under.
Y'all know my flow with a airplane. Career escalating like it on a stairway. I'm chilling easy, give these bitches leeway. Tryna take my shine, but you can never ever be. None of them bad like we. None of them come bad like we. None of them not style like we. None of them. Woo! I need 2 seconds. Let me just grab a drink of water. I'm so happy to be performing here at Shoko Festival, guys. DJ, I need you to pull that up one last time. I need to introduce myself. Guys, this is my latest offering. Let's get it. Dash, 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 eh. Ayo, it's me again, Tasha. Y'all bitches look like my name spelled backwards. Apo wakatsomwa neguka. Like I said in Pakuda Mari Muri Maruka. Apa hauna kana plani. Cold blood like amphibiani. Mugras incognito like a miliani. Pesa pato shikatino tangi samawani. Me bad like Charlie from Triolani. It's me. touchdown. Chida kunibata is a half down. I'm on fleek right now. Kopisa kungevunzeri mbaura. Touchdown. Chida kunibata is a half down. I'm on fleek right now. Kopisa kungevunzeri mbaura. Manongoti Tasha. Bad news like Gukamaka. Follow them back, demayada. Dema magaya, demayada. Dinindova visa parada. Ndoi samsaga. She didn't beat a man, but causing the baby cause I'm pretty, I sing I but my streets sandere. I'm the king of Harare. Dova siava tevere. I'm in it for the money. Cash remittance sendere. Yeah, mudendere. Living a life ya kufazanjere. Me I go hard. Tell a small boy Sunday did. Yeah, mudendere. Living a life ya kufazanjere. Me I go hard. Tell a small boy Sunday did. It's me. Touchdown. Chida kunibata is a half down. I'm on fleek right now. Kopisa kungevunzeri mbaura. Touchdown. Chida kunibata is a half down. I'm on fleek right now. Kopisa kungevunzeri mbaura. Amana ndishoere. Kokuzo saizana ndishoere. Majinzoere. Kugotaura mavunzoere. Amana ndishoere. Kokuzo saizana ndishoere. Majinzoere. Kugotaura mavunzoere. Hey yo, it's me. Touchdown. Chida kunibata is a half down. I'm on fleek right now. Kopisa kungevunzeri mbaura. Touchdown. Chida kunibata is a half down. I'm on fleek right now. Kopisa kungevunzeri mbaura. Thank you, everybody.